Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your TCL 605 is on the blacklist. Alright, so to check it, we are going to use the IMEI.info page, just like always on this channel. And now, in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our device. If you don't know how to check the IMEI number, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you all possible checking options using the IMEI number of TCL 605, and in that video I'm showing how to find the IMEI number, so if you want you can look for it. Once we have typed our IMEI number, click on this button, check IMEI. As you can see, now we have our TCL. Now we need to simply scroll down into the bottom until we find the basic checks. And the first option from the top, as you can see, is the Blacklist simple check. We need to simply click on that. Now click on this blue button. Wait a few seconds. Alright, and now we have our result. As you can see, this device is clean. Below we can see the brand, the model, our IMEI number, confirmation that device is clean, and also we can see the date on which the report was created at. We can also order the premium version of a Blacklist check. To do it, click on order now, scroll down, and as you can see, it costs $5 to make an order, and the time needed for this is from 10 seconds to 10 minutes. Below, as we click on that photo, we can see a comparison how it will look like when device is blacklisted and how when it's clean. Also, when it comes to the advantages of using the Blacklist premium version, you can click on read more about premium version. Now scroll down, and here on the left side we have the advantages. So if our device is clean, the result contains model number and manufacturer. If it's blacklisted, it contains many details such as model, manufacturer, blacklisted by, blacklisted country, and blacklisted on. All results in premium service contains PDF certificate, which you can share. The result is saved on your IMEI.info account history. You can download PDF certificate anytime. The result is fast, accurate, and detailed. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.